Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Today we are in my daughter's nursery and we are going to be walking through how you can take a piece of furniture that you might not be able to stain, like my daughter's dresser here, and create a beautiful faux wood finish. So don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let's get started. The first step is to paint the piece of furniture. So I chose Accessible Beige by Sherwin-Williams, and we're actually painting a dresser for my daughter's nursery. I really wanted to achieve more of a vintage look with a deep tone wood, but after weeks of stripping and sanding and realizing parts of the dresser weren't even wood, I knew I had to pivot to this faux wood finish. In case you have never seen this technique before, we're going to do a faux wood finish. We are taking our Rust-Oleum Glaze. I have it in Java Brown. And we are going to apply it with this brush. I just went ahead and poured it on a plate, and then I have an extra paper plate. I kind of dab off the extra. And then you can go through afterwards with this kind of deck broom, and you're just gonna sweep across it to give it more of a little bit of more texture. Here we go. So typically with this method, when you have any creases or indents, the glaze can kind of pool there, which I don't want. So now I'm just going through with a rag, just trying to wipe up that extra, and then I'll go back over with my brush. This technique definitely requires a ton of patience. I'm finding the hardest thing is as I'm going trying to create those vertical and horizontal natural where the wood grain would naturally flow. Trying to angle them at the corners is proving to be pretty difficult. But we're gonna keep trying. So what I'm finding with the drawers, at least, is I'm not loving using this. Did for our cabinets in our master bathroom, But yeah, I'm just not loving it for the drawers. Maybe with the dresser it will come out a little better, but right now it's coming out just a little too, like, I don't know, scratched. So we're just continuing with this brush. It is a very meticulous process. I've been at this for probably like 40 minutes and I've only done like 2.5 drawers. So it certainly requires a ton of patience. So far, I'm happy with how everything is turning out. I saved the top for last, just so I could be like super detailed with it. But I feel like this is working. I've already decided I think I'm gonna go in with a second coat, just so that I can make it a bit darker. But overall, I think things are going well.
Once you have a layer of the glaze down, you want to take your deck brush and do long sweeping strokes like I'm doing here. This will just help prevent any pooling of the glaze or just help make it look not like it's been painted, because otherwise you may see some uneven brush strokes. This final finish took 3 layers of the glaze, and then I did finish it off with a layer of polyurethane to just help seal the dresser, but I love the rich, warm wood tone.
Okay, so I have the new hardware for the dresser. I went with just like a very simple aged brass knob. I think these are just very simple, pretty, timeless, classic, whatever you want to call it. But they're pretty, like, they're very heavy, so I do like the quality of them. And for 12, it was only like 25 bucks. So I think for just kind of the look I'm going for, I'm envisioning like one spaced, like them spaced fairly far apart.
From a Facebook Marketplace find for $100 to a beautiful vintage-inspired dresser for my daughter's nursery, this faux wood finish was the perfect solution to creating a warm and rich wood tone that I was dreaming of.
Alright guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have tried this technique or you plan to, please comment below. I'd love to hear it. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hope to see you on the next one. Bye!